Halloween at
other
PT
country
School.
versus Philippines. Okay, group. Okay, ayos ah. Kumpleto. Galing, galing. Kumpleto, okay? From Groot to Minions. Very nice, very nice. Galing, galing. Okay, another one. Low budget Avengers. Si Iron Man tsaka si Hulk. Si Hulk. Si Hulk na stress, nangayat. Nangyari kay Iron Man. Okay, kaya tignan ba natin ang Pilipinas? Okay, let's see. Tignan natin ang Pilipinas. Ayan, kalalaro ng GTA. Okay, not bad. Pati galawang pang GTA. Okay, pwede, pwede. Okay, next. Tingnan natin kung sino. Ooh, angas. Guys, sino ba to sa Naruto? Yan, sino yan? Angas, ha? Diba? Balagbagan sa costume nila. Wow! Pinas. Okay, may isa pa. May isa pang entry. Low budget na mami, tsaka yung binigla mo yung partner mo, bigla kang nag-exorcist. Galing! Okay, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Shoutout time tayo. Okay, first shoutout kay Meda Floor, Sis J from Capiz. Okay, next po kay Abby Maraon Lindo. Yan, nagpa-shoutout ulit sa atin si Abe. Next po kay Rambo Ray Inso. Yan, what's up, Rambo? And next po kay Mary Jane Tranquilan. Yan, Tranquilan. Yan, what's up, Mary Jane? And I think this is the last one, si Nasalita Nares Mon, or Mon Nares Nasalita, whatever. Anyways, that's it guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Until the next reaction video. Peace and one love guys.